Hey, Dr. Malka here, your chiropractor and acupuncturist located in Los Angeles, California. And today on Veggies in Disguise, we're going to be cooking grilled asparagus. So easy. It's just 1 pound of asparagus, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt and pepper, done. And actually, I brought out a little bit of Parmesan cheese because that's an option you can do at the end, but it's not part of the recipe. So first off with the asparagus is you want to just cut maybe an inch off of the areas that can be a little stringy, maybe the purple areas like so. So put the asparagus in a bowl with the olive oil. Just salt to taste. Teaspoon is usually the recommended amount. And freshly cracked pepper. And then toss them. I'm going to use my bear claws that I got from my trip to Alaska. And then we're going to grill them. It's really this easy. And for those of you live in snowy areas that you can't really go outside and grill, I recommend this grill pan. So you can pause me right now and order it. It's just a kitchen necessity. So we're going to place the asparagus on the preheated pan. And we're going to be cooking this for about 3 to 4 minutes, turning so that there's a nice char around all the asparagus. And how you're going to gauge it is when the top of the asparagus starts getting a little bit soft, you'll know it's done. And you could just check that with a knife. Okay, it's been 3 to 4 minutes. And we're ready to serve. At this point, if you want, you can put a little freshly grated Parmesan cheese right when you take it out of the pan. And it should be warm enough to melt the cheese. Enjoy. We will be launching a new YouTube video every Wednesday and Friday at 3 p.m. And I'll be available for any questions you have or suggestions for future videos.